Children, very warm and welcoming good evening. It is my privilege to be your teacher. I am Subhash Chandra Misra, you know very well, S.C. Misra. And today I am going to teach you people conjunction. Children, it is the seventh parts of speech. And in my earlier videos, as we talked about very clearly about the basic definitions of various parts of speeches. Here, children, today, what I want to share with you people, that a conjunction, first of all, its definition. A conjunction joins words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. For example, Ram and Shyam are friends. Mamta and Kavita are my disciples. Democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Children, you can have some examples as Ram is that boy who tells the correct answer. I am unable to teach today because I am having a principal's conference. Children were gracing the class, but the teacher was not teaching them. Children, it's my privilege to explain you about these things, that conjunctions are basically very essential in English grammar. Now I would like to talk about the various divisions of conjunctions. As you know, conjunctions are basically three types. First one as coordinate conjunctions, second one as subordinate conjunctions, and third one that is correlatives. Now let us have to talk about them one by one. First of all, let me talk about coordinate conjunctions. Children, it is a bit essential to talk you about sentences. As you know, a sentence is a word or any group of words that give some sense or meaning. Children, here, sentences, when they are joined by the conjunctions, and those conjunctions which joins the sentence from the another one, and these sentences are clearly clear, they are having their clear meaning, such conjunctions are known as coordinate conjunctions. In this difference, children, a coordinate conjunction is that conjunction which joins one principal clause and the second one, that is the coordinate clause. These coordinate clause and principal clause are joined by the coordinate conjunction. A coordinate conjunction is divided, bifurcated into four kinds. Those four are, first one is cumulative or copulative conjunction. Such type of conjunctions joins two sentences and they join as a principal clause and with it a coordinate clause. Here, children, for example, Ram's sister is singing a song and Ram is also singing a song, and is here used as coordinate, cumulative or copulative conjunction. Then there is adversative conjunction. Adversative coordinate conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used to join the sentences with each other where the sentences are having some different concept. For example, Radha is singing a song, but Mamta is reading a book. Mohan is playing with his friends, but Rajia is singing a beautiful song. In these two sentences, what we observe? We observe that these two sentences are having the opposite feeling. Such sentences are joined with adversative conjunctions. Then there is disjunctive or alternative conjunctions. These coordinate conjunctions which are going to join the sentences in the form of alternate, as either Mamta or her sister has taken my bag. Neither Mishra sir nor Dubey sir has gone to Mahendragarh today. Such a type of conjunctions are known as disjunctive or alternative conjunctions. Then there is a fourth type of coordinate, that is elative conjunction. In this elative conjunctions, the sentences which are there, they are combined with each other of coordinate clause. As the children were very eager to see the principal, therefore they went to his office. So this was about the detail of coordinate conjunctions. Then children's second one, that is subordinate conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used to join one principal clause and others are as subordinate clauses. These subordinate clauses are joined with the subordinating conjunctions. As far as subordinating conjunctions are concerned, for example, this is the place where my father was born. You solve the question the way I teach you. In these two sentences are joined with subordinating conjunctions. Children, here I would like to talk about you as the division bifurcation of subordinating conjunctions. Those are as subordinating conjunctions of time, concession, comparison, cause and reason, condition, place, purpose, manner, and proportion. Now let me give you one example of these all so that the children can understand very well. The first one, as I talked to you about the coordinating conjunction of time. This is the time when I should be at my residence. The children were studying while my mobile rang. While when these two conjunctions are the conjunctions of time. Children, so far as the various conjunctions, as I totally counted to you people that there are 9 or 10 type of subordinating conjunctions. So these are very essential to know about, and we can take detailed study about there in further lectures. Now the third one on grassroots level, that is correlatives. Children, correlatives conjunctions can be accumulated of both, that is subordinate and coordinate. And these correlatives are those conjunctions which are always used in pairs. For example, either or, neither nor, not only but also, though at, both and. Some other more can be. For example, how to use sentences. She not only reads a book but also prepares her note beautifully. My father is both a charming person and an intelligent teacher. Children, such type of conjunctions are well known, and we are going to use them very clearly by knowing their clear use. Here again I sum up in nutshell that a conjunction joins words, phrases, clauses and sentences. For example, Subhas and Surendra are classmates. The book on the table is my book and I want to study it. The children who speaks truth, the children who speak truth are very lovely to me. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. So these are all about the conjunctions. I conclude my class, today's class, with these wishes that you can have a deep knowledge of grammar and can go ahead. May God bless you. May success marry you. Have a very, very superb day. Thank you all.